My favorite climbing tree stand is a Lone Wolf sit and climb, and I wanted to get another setup. I had a bottom end from a second Lone Wolf sit and climb. It's actually a Lone Wolf hand climber, so the bottom end's a little lighter. So what I wanted to do was get another top end, a top end piece. So I went on the Lone Wolf website and it was $250. Went on the XOP website and it was $150. There were a few differences. One of them was the tubular steel sit bar, which I replaced with this flat aluminum sit bar. It makes it a tiny bit lighter, but it just makes it more convenient, less bulky, and I like it a lot better. Another thing I did was I put this Hazemore seat. Okay, so it's a replacement seat that they make for climbing stands. Hazemore makes it, and it's just easier to get out of the way, less bulky, and I like it a lot better. So hope you enjoy this video. If anybody wants to modify the top end, totally unnecessary, just something I enjoy doing. It makes it a little bit nicer for me. This is the XOP sit and climb top piece. So now I'm going to install the mesh seat. Okay, this is the silent seat from Hazemore, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a basketball net. This is the original seat that was supposed to go with it. All these straps. Not the worst thing in the world. You know, this straps around the tree, but it's not for me. I found it to be not as good. I like the Hazemore better. All right, I'm going to try to imitate the angle that I'm going to bend that aluminum bar. So I'm going to copy the Lone Wolf's angle. All right, so here's the XOP. So you can see the bend is identical. Okay, now I have a good measurement and template for the aluminum bar that I could bend across. It is bending. Now. Okay, let's give her a shot. There you have it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks again, and see you next time.